Today I'm going to be using the FISKARS HOOKAROON on a lot of wood, showing you how I use it. Pull large logs, drag them to the wagon, and the Polaris Ranger. So if you're tired of bending over 200 times loading firewood, you need to watch this. It's going to be a good one. So I got this ferro rod online. I'll put a link to it if you want to see. Pretty nice though. I don't recommend starting your fires with gasoline, but I'm being a little lazy right now. All right, welcome back to the channel. So what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna head over to this area where I have a lot of wood that I was gonna get a few months ago, but I've been kind of slacking on it. The last video we did was on the FISKARS versus the steel HOOKAROON, whatever you wanna call this thing. And surprisingly, it was one of my best videos I've made so far. So I'm just gonna go with it and actually put this to real use. And it's about 8:30 p.m. right now. And I got a lot of wood way down over there that I'm gonna go get right now and show you how I use this. I'll take you guys along for the ride. Don't wanna miss this one. I'm gonna put this thing to work. I got a nice fire going on right now. I'm letting the Polaris Ranger warm up, and once that's about ready, we're gonna take off. While I let the Polaris Ranger warm up, I'll show you my setup here. I got this John Deere 17P attached to the back of the Polaris. These little pins, you just pull them out easily, let them in, super easy. And this wagon's pretty nice. All you gotta do is press this lever, and it'll dump everything that's in here. But I got room here in the back of the Polaris. I got room here in the back of the wagon. And I'm gonna go pick up a lot of wood right now to show you how I put this FISKARS to use. Right now we're burning some oak, and I think there's cherry in there as well. Let's put a few more pieces on there, because by the time I come back, I want that to be a roaring fire. So a quick close-up shot in case you didn't see it in my last video. This is the FISKARS X822. I think this is the 28-inch model. I'll put a link to this one in the description. I'll also pin a comment. But yeah, I love this thing. I would bring the steel, but honestly, I don't need to, and this one works way better. If you remember from my last video, this little bump out, I love this thing. My goal has been for so long, for like the past 3 years, to get a firewood side hustle going. This is oak, cherry, and walnuts, I want to say. I gotta get a lot more wood. There's the old wood splitter, just ready to be used. Got some work done to the Predator engine. Anyways, let's get going. Polaris is warm. A little spot way down over there with a bunch of oak and some other wood that's really dry that I'm gonna go pick up. It's already roaring. Look at that. One pile of wood's right here. I don't even know what kind of wood this is. I'm gonna guess it's maple, and the other pile is all oak. It's right over here. I came here actually yesterday and already picked up a bunch, but this stuff is so heavy. We'll see what I can grab from it. You know what, we'll save that for another day. I took a lot yesterday, but the stuff that's here today, I'm gonna have to come back with a chainsaw, but it's just way too big. One, two, three, four. So we're moving pretty quick, but you see how I use this thing. Nice point on this. Again, that bump out. When I'm walking from here back to the wagon, I'm able to drag it easier because of this bump out. All right, that's all the wood I'm gonna grab for today. It's pretty much filled. If I go any higher, it's not a long trip home, but you see that light down there? That's the barn I'm going to. And this is what it looks like in the back of the Polaris. But yeah, it gets a little bumpy, so I'm not gonna fill it up anymore because it's all gonna fall out. So yeah, that HOOKAROON, honestly, it saves your back. Usually I have another one. I have that steel one with me and I can use both of them to pick it up and throw it in there, but I need to work out. I need to burn off some calories, so I'm making it a little bit extra harder on myself. All right, so we made it back. I'm gonna unload it tomorrow, but there it is. I got it fully loaded in the back of the Polaris. Pretty much fully loaded on the 17P. Actually, I think I lost a piece. This looks like it's a little bit less. I could have sworn there was one more on here. Let's see how the fire's looking. Hey, Juco, what are you doing? Let's go and get some food. So if you're new to the channel, I just want to thank you guys all for subscribing and following along with the journey. We do a little bit of everything on this channel. But yeah, thank you for subscribing. I can't believe we're already at almost 7,100 subscribers. We have been doing this a little over a year. But yeah, that FISKARS HOOKAROON, that thing is awesome. Highly recommend it. Again, I'm gonna pin comment that and I'll put it in the description. That's exactly how I use it. Sometimes a little bit more aggressively, but you saw how I did it there. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'll give you a quick little tour of the barn. This is Sully. He's a 1/4 horse paint. We just put this stall together. I'll put a link to this video that I did actually putting this stall together. We got the mini horses over here, Levi and Ivy. This is Raven. She's a thoroughbred. This is Ebony. She's a border horse, and she's also a thoroughbred. She's the oldest horse here. This is Chappie, Paulina's sister's horse, also a thoroughbred. All the thoroughbreds here used to race. Chappie, if you notice, he's only got one eye. He got hurt when he was little. I don't know exactly how it happened. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're into this sort of stuff. I'll catch you all to the next one. Oh, before I go, I'll put in the description also these lights. I did a video on these infinity lights. I got one here. Came in a pack of 3. I was using this one and another one while doing that filming. Come here. Wait, come here, come here, come here. Just real quick. Come here, come here. For the video. Come here. I want to do something real quick. Come here. Come here. Come here. If you're into real work, real tools, and real farm life, check out the playlists on the channel. Everything's organized so you can jump right into what you like. Drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a new episode or live stream. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.